General systems theory attempts to explain the complex systems found in science, society, and nature, and formulate common laws that apply to virtually every scientific field. With an emphasis on wholeness, it claims that any phenomenon cannot be properly understood until it is seen as a system of many associated parts. There are things that emerge in groups of parts that are not witnessed in those parts alone. General systems theory focuses on the system's structure instead of on the system's function. It proposes that complex systems share some basic organizing principles irrespective of their purposes, and that these principles can be modeled mathematically. The idea of the whole as more than the sum of its parts is as old as Aristotle. But the idea that there are characteristics of systems that can be applied to all systems can be traced directly to Ludwig von Bertalanffy. Von Bertalanffy was a Hungarian biologist educated in Vienna, a member of the famed Vienna School. He first proposed systems theory in the 1940s as an attempt to use the word system to describe those principles which are common to systems in general. He emphasized that real systems are open to and interact with their environments, and that they can acquire quantitatively new properties through emergence, resulting in continual evolution. His objective was to bring together under one heading the organismic science that he had observed in his work as a biologist. Systems theorists see common principles in the structure and operation of systems of all kinds and sizes. They promote an interdisciplinary science adapted for a universal application with a common language and the area of concepts. Rather than reducing an entity, such as the human body, to the properties of its parts or elements, the organs or cells, system theory focuses on the arrangement and the relations between these parts, which connect them into a whole. This particular organization determines a system which is independent of the concrete substance of the elements. So general systems theory, therefore, is a general science of wholeness.